Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by entering transactions in the journal as they occur. This captures the raw facts. Record date, affected accounts, and debit versus credit amounts so posts later match exactly. Once done, add a concise description and a sequential reference number. This links source documents to ledger posting. Make sure to total each line and check arithmetic immediately, because catching mistakes now saves time. You will then prepare entries for transfer to the ledger in the next step. Next, you post journal entries to individual ledger accounts, which organizes transactions by account for analysis. Post amounts to debit or credit sides, update running balances, and include the journal reference so you can trace back if needed. Once posted, use transitional checks. Compare ledger totals to journal totals and spot mismatches right away. Make sure to reconcile with subsidiary ledgers, accounts payable, receivable, so your trial balance will tally and you avoid compounding errors before closing. Finally, you prepare a trial balance to confirm debits equal credits. This is your checkpoint before financial statements. If balances differ, trace the mismatch by checking dates, reference numbers, and transposition errors in both journal and ledger. A systematic ledger-to-journal reconciliation narrows the issue quickly. Once corrected, make adjusting entries for accruals or depreciation, post closing entries, and produce statements. Tip: if numbers still won't match, backtrack one account at a time until the discrepancy appears. Start with
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.